Hi guys, this is again Amy. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do a quick get ready with me. I've already primed my face. I use the Bobbi Brown face primer, and I use the NYX the Elegant brow kit. That's what I use, and I've also used the NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator. This is in Sun Goddess. I also use that all over my face. So yeah, and I've already primed my eyes using the NYX glitter primer on my eyes. So before we get into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook like page. All the links will be down below. So let's jump into this tutorial. So the palette I'm going to use today is the Morphe 35R. This is the palette I'm going to use today. This is the palette I'm going to use. So first I'm going to start with this brown shade here. I'm going to use as a transition color. So now I'm going to take this brown here. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to take this dark brown here. I'm going to focus on the outer corner just to give it like more dent. I'm going to take this shade here, this one here. I'm going to first take it with a brush. I'm going to use my finger. So now that I'm done with the eyes, this is the eyes. So now we're going to jump to the face. I'm going to mix this L'Oreal Paris True Matte Foundation in Espresso. I'm going to mix with the Be Creative Foundation in 009. I'm going to mix these two foundations just because my neck it's getting a little bit darker. I know my neck is the darkest part of my body, but my neck is now getting too dark. So I need to mix my foundations so that it can at least match my neck a little bit. So I'm going to pump everything at the back of my hand, and I'm just going to have like just one pump of the Elegant True Match foundation. I'm just going to mix. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the Elegant foundation and concealer to highlight this. I'm going to use this beautiful bronze. This is what I'm going to use. I'm going to add a little bit of almond, the lighter shade. So now I'm going to take the Morphe banana powder. I'm going to use that to set. I'm going to use the Elegant contour powder. I'm going to use this to contour. I'm going to do powder contour. Use this sleek contour kit. I'm going to use this one to contour my nose. So now I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution powder. I'm going to use this one mix. I'm going to mix it just to set my face. So today I'm not going to use any blush. I don't feel like using blush. I'm going to take this brown hair. I'm going to put it underneath my lower lashes. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Spray. So now it's time to highlight. I'm going to use this highlighter. So now I'm going to use this Kylie Jenner lipstick, this brown. So now I'm going to spray my face and I'll be back. So this is the finished result. And this is my hairstyle. I have my hair in a bun. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook like page. Dit is je girl Amy. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt. En vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram en op mijn Facebook pagina voor meer foto's. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Dit is je girl Amy. Doeg! Bye!